going.
Keep going.
Good for you.
Like a late model Corvette, I got a motor and it runs hard.
There you go.
Take care, everyone. Thank you.
From Dan, Brian from Moon Township.
Hey, Northwest Indiana.
Who else is here?
Take care, everyone. Oh, Lime Rock Green. I got one of those. I've seen more Lime Rock Green cars here today than I have seen in the 5 years we've owned ours.
Oh, wow.
Talk about crazy. We're going to get a look at another one. I think that's a Premier. All right, folks, you know I'm partial to the Premier Edition. We have number 201. This is a Premier. It's got the correct torque twist chrome rims. Try saying torque twist 5 times fast. Dual mode exhaust. It is the Brownstone. It's a 6-speed auto. It is a Premier Edition. It is number 476. I saw this gentleman earlier. It came with luggage. It came with 2 sets of floor mats. It came with 2 sets of center caps. It came with the battery charger. It was 3LT. There wasn't an option available in 2014 this car did not have. Beautiful. All right. Sorry, I'm partial to the Lime Rock Green convertibles. There's a 50th anniversary convertible. And last but not least, 2 more Grand Sport convertibles. One is not a Grand Sport. Like it anyway. All right, folks, which way do we want to go? Taxi. C6. Toyota. Get out of this picture, buddy. What a way to do the show. Wine. Native American jewelry. Love it. Gotta love it. This is awesome. I'm having the time of my life, folks. 69 convertible I see up ahead. I have not been to this area. Let's get that inferior vehicle out of the picture. Some people say Toyota's the most reliable vehicle. I say that is the most reliable vehicle ever made, the C5 Corvette. Argue with me. You'll have an argument, but I won't give up. Love the trailer. Love the trailer. Love the wheel. C6 seats in a 69. Who owns this car? We're live right now. Corvette Dan on YouTube. I have that steering wheel in wood. I'd love to have that wheel. I'd like to trade somebody. I doubt he would trade, but I want to know about that trailer.
The work of passion, he said, to get that to match up like that.
I was just telling my wife we need to find a way to get a trailer on one of the Corvettes because we stuffed the convertible. Yeah, I can't put anything in it. I found a column for my 68, a tote. I didn't know where to put it. I can't strap it to the top.
This your car?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
This.
Thank you. It's fantastic.
Okay, so we're live right now. I'm going to get some of this car on my channel right now for all to see. I have over 6,000 subscribers. We're live right now.
All right.
This apparently looks like carbon fiber in the back. Is that correct, sir?
That is correct.
And this is a Z.
Yes, sir.
And those are carbon fiber rims.
Yes, sir.
Are those carbon ceramics? Oh boy. I mean, this guy is checking all your boxes, folks. The spoiler, the convertible, carbon fiber accents underneath the hood. Look at this interior. Can I kind of just peek in there with the camera a little bit? Let's check it out. Let's check this out. All right, I got a little something going on here with my camera.
Just the color, honey. You know why? What's up, man?
You stay in Carlisle, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
I thought I saw you this morning for breakfast.
Right.
You got money all over this, brother. You didn't have this last year, did you?
No, I had hypersonic gray.
I know. I remember you.
Yeah.
You went crazy this year. Look at this. 306.